Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video I am going to share with you Indian CBSE school teaching jobs in Oman. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL www.ismloman.com. If you are enter this website ID in URL, you can get this main page. In this main page, right corner one option available more. If you are click this link more, you can get one option career at ISML. If you are click this career page, you can get this the career page. So in this page you may know what are the vacancies available, how to apply, everything they are given clearly here itself. So you can apply as per the video instruction. Here work with us, current vacancies they are given here. In this school they are accepting application throughout the year, so no need to worry about the last date, closing date. So you can apply throughout the year. Here they are given presently primary teachers and secondary vacancies. Primary teachers subjects are English, Science, Social Science and Mathematics. Here graduation with B.Ed, minimum 3 years of teaching experience, preferably CBSE school. They expect degree with B.Ed, minimum 3 years teaching experience. They expect primary teachers qualifications. The secondary teachers are Hindi, Social Science, Malayalam, English, Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics and PE. So these are the secondary vacancies. The secondary teacher qualified teacher with minimum 3 years of teaching experience in English medium school, preferably CBSE school. So they are expecting minimum 3 years of teaching experience and your subject degree they are expecting. So how should I apply? This is the first question. That means when should I apply? So recruitment activities in this school they are conducting throughout the year. Here there is no closing date. You can apply any month. So there is no closing date. How do I find out what position are available? I hope you know that. So in this website ID, in the school website, you can get what are the position available. So here itself we can find everything. So what is the close date for application? The next question here they are mentioned there is no closing date. They accept application throughout the year. So how do I apply for teaching position with ISML? So if your vacancies, if your subject vacancies available, you can apply email. That means your CV, application letter and photograph, 2 professional references. You have to send hr.ismloman@gmail.com. You have to send all the things. CV, application letter, photograph and 2 references. You have to send hr@ismloman@gmail.com. You have to send your email. While applying in your subject line, you can put your subject, what subject available, you have to mention clearly in your email subject line. So if you are applying, what should I include my application? So here itself they are given here. That means clearly state your name, current employment, that means accurate employment date and age group, curricula you have thought. So you have to include in your application. What is the interview process? Here itself they are given. So first one is pre-screening. If you submit your application, they will pre-screen applicant. Only shortlisted candidate will be, they will be conduct interview directly. So if you are shortlisted in your next stage, mean you can interviewed by the head of the department or subject teacher. They will be interviewed face to face. Due to the current situation COVID-19 pandemic, they will conduct interview via online. Before that they are conducted interview in some hubs in India. Presently due to the situation they will conduct online via telephone, video chat or video conference. So if you are successful the interview stage, mean they will offer a offer letter. That means admin staff will give the offer letter. The visa process will be start and arranging accommodation also they will start for the overseas candidate. After these things, before joining the date they will conduct induction weeks for teachers. So what document will I have to provide? So like that the next question is, so you have to submit your passport, attested qualification certificate. That means your teaching degree and your subject degree you have to submit your certificate, and your recent police clearance certificate you have to submit in the successful candidate. You have to submit all those things. That means passport, attested qualification certificate and police clearance certificate you have to submit. So what are the references check means? Here they are given. References are taken shortly after the interview, before on employment made. So before they are giving offer letter, they will check your references. If they are provide the details will be contact mean you have to make this clear on your CV. So when you apply your website function, whether you are happy for your referees contact, you have to click that option also. If you do not wish to, your current school will be contact me until the interview, so that's fine. We will not able to contact them when your offer is made. All offers are made subject to the satisfactory of references. So they will be contact your references. So if the references are satisfied only, they will give the offer letter for you. The next one is, if my application is not successful, will I be informed? That's the question for here. Due to the large number of application, they won't be respond for the unsuccessful application. Only shortlisted application will be contact, like that here they are mentioned. If you are unsuccessful, you will have the opportunity to receive feedback on your interview, like that they are mentioned. If I am offered a position, what happens next? So if they provide offer letter directly school means, what will happen means, here they are given, they will arrange accommodation for overseas candidate. Next one is they will arrange the induction weeks for new teacher. And what happened means, next they will arrange the visa it will process will take 4 to 6 weeks. Because of Ministry of External Affairs, the document related it will take 4 to 6 weeks. Once the employment visa will be processed means 7 to 10 days before the term starts, you have to reach there. After that, after to settle your accommodation, you can attend the induction weeks. So everything they are clearly mentioned here itself. So you can get it from here, everything. Here right corner, download application form available. So you have to submit the application form also via email. This is the application form, Indian School of Mulada. You have to fill this application and you have to submit your CV, photograph and application form as per the email ID. So only 2 page only. Hope it's easy to fill this application. Before they are conducting interview in Chennai, Delhi, Kochi, Mumbai, Muscat also, before they conduct direct interview. Due to this situation, presently they won't contact directly. So that's why they are conducting online interview. So you can apply. If your vacancies is available, you can apply as per the video instruction. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friend. Someone will be benefited. Watch other videos too in our channel. It will be useful for you. Make sure that before applying, you can check your skills, eligibility and your subject vacancies.